Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda and today I'm going to be doing another unboxing video for you guys. I'm not gonna lie, I received this package yesterday or maybe 2 days ago, but I haven't had a chance to open it. Honestly, haven't had a chance at all to open any of my packages or even sit down and film, and I really miss it. I've kind of taken a little short break off of YouTube, even though you guys won't have noticed that because I have been posting regularly. All of those videos have been pre-filmed. This one's really exciting because I have the BTS winter package here. Before I get into the unboxing video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any videos from me, and also don't forget to follow me on all my different social media accounts. So here's the box. This is actually in a WePly box. Ooh, so it comes bubble wrap. It's in this really pretty light purple color and it just says winter package on it, and it says 2021 in Gangwon. I usually don't order DVDs and stuff, but this photo shoot sold me on ordering this package. And it opens at the top here. Wow, this is so cute. So this is the entire winter package in here. So this just looks like a laptop pouch to me. I'm hoping it will fit my laptop in it because it's so stinking cute. On the top here, it has a little winter package patch. Oh, they're Velcro, so you can actually remove them and move them around. And then there's an army one, BTS, and then this is a label pouch, or you can put a picture or something in there. That's cute. And then it opens at the top here. So first off, you have these snowman, I believe they're called snowman Whoppins, but I think they're just Velcro patches that you can put onto your laptop pouch. From left to right, obviously you have RM, Suga, Jin, J-Hope, Jimin, V, and Jungkook. This one just makes me laugh. They are Velcro. Then you get the actual disc. This is a film strip, so I got June. You can't really see them. Like, I'm not even surprised that I got June at this point. Like, I can't even act shocked. Love. So this is super cute. Maybe I could put it, it would look really good on my fridge, honestly. I might put that on my fridge because that's very cute. Here are the member pictures. These are so cute. I will do, my little dumpling. Are you freaking kidding me? Jin is so cute too. I love these. What else do we have? We have the group photo here. It looks like there's two, or it's double-sided. These are also, oh, they have little messages on the back too. Cute. So here's the first group photo. And then the back looks like that. And there's writing. And then this is this one. I loved the outfits in this one. I think that Yoongi's outfit was freaking adorable. So I had to wear the winter package. And then here's the writing on the back. And then here is the winter package book. So I want to open up this. I don't know what it is, but it's this box. It's just a small box that just says winter package on it, and then there's their group photo. Okay, so you have a little note from the members. Oh, and then you get this accordion type thing, and it has every member on it. And then it's double-sided, so here is the other photo set. That was what was included in that mini box. And then let's open this book. Okay, Jimin, come at my throat, why don't you? The pearl under his eye, that's cute. I love it. I could cry. I could cry. Oh, yay! Group photo? Cute! Oh, Yoongi looks freaking cute. He looks like a dumpling. That's my dumpling right there. I just want to squish him. Like, why does he look so tiny? Freaking adorable. Freaking cute. So Paige. Freaking cute. Okay, so I'm going to flip through the book for you guys now. I was just looking through Weaver Shop to check to see what actually was included with the winter package, because I could have sworn that there was a photo card that was supposed to be included with it, and I was looking everywhere and I literally couldn't find it. So I think it's somewhere in this book, but I just need to like flip through, because honestly I can't seem to find it anywhere. Like, I was holding it and then you will never guess. You will never guess who you're kidding. Jimin has answered my prayers. He knew that I was waiting for him. I never pulled Jimin, but he decided to show up. He pulled through. He came through. Jimin was lacking in my photo card book. That was a pleasant surprise. I'm very happy with that. Thank you. So that's gonna be it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below if you ordered the winter package and who you pulled for the little Polaroid strip. Give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on all my different social media accounts. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.